radii and your fillets really designed correctly up front helps you, again, on that castability side to make sure that you're getting a part out the way you want it to look, the quality standards you're expecting to deliver. You touched earlier on surface finish, but really on the casting process side of things, you know, the sharp corners can cause a number of issues there.
Yeah.
So again, you know, we want to make sure we're casting good product coming out rather than you know, having scrap parts because it's cracking or there's high stress areas, or you mentioned some cold spots, you know, creating tearing in the casting. So really designing that again up front to make sure that casting comes out to a good quality standard.
Yeah, especially if you're looking at casting that's starting to get larger in size, but you're still maintaining relatively thinner walls compared to the size of the casting. That's going to cool quicker and you're going to get more tears if you have tighter radii on it, and sharper corners.
Absolutely.